Mi Smart Bedside Lamp 2 with voice control put up for crowdfunding by Xiaomi India. Xiaomi has begun a crowdfunding campaign for a new smart home product, the Mi Smart Bedside Lamp 2 via the Mi Store. As the name clearly suggests, the Mi Smart Bedside Lamp 2 is a, bedside lamp that you can control remotely using the Mi Home app. It can produce 16 million colors and also supports voice controls via Alexa, Google Assistant, as well as Apple HomeKit. There are multiple ambient lighting presets, something Xiaomi calls mood settings. The Mi Smart Bedside Lamp 2 also lets users set schedules and enable the transient flow mode. Mi Smart Bedside Lamp 2 price, where to buy the Mi Smart Bedside Lamp 2 is priced at Rs. 2,299 and will start shipping starting December 3rd. Xiaomi has set a goal of 2,000 units for crowdfunding, and once there are enough backers, it might be available via open sale model in the future. At the time of writing this story, Xiaomi has achieved 3% of its crowdfunding goal for the Mi Smart Bedside Lamp 2. However, keep in mind that there are only 7 days left for potential buyers to pledge their backing. If you are interested in the Mi Smart Bedside Lamp 2, you can support the crowdfunding campaign here. Mi Smart Bedside Lamp 2 specifications. Talking about features, the 12W Mi Smart Bedside Lamp 2 has a peak brightness of 400 lumens and can produce 16 million colors. Notably, it is claimed to offer longevity of 11 years. Just like the Mi Smart Bulb, it also comes with color adjustment and scheduling features, aside from custom lighting presets for moods such as leisure and quiet blue among others. There is also a flow mode that automatically changes the light color. Color temperature ranges between 1700K and 6500K. The device has a touch-sensitive panel for volume controls, but it can also be used to change the light color and mode, adjust brightness, and power on/off the lamp. The Mi Smart Bedside Lamp 2 can be controlled via the Mi Home app, and it also supports voice control via Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.